What's going on, everybody? It's your boy. Welcome back to the channel. Doing something absolutely new on this channel. I'm going to be purchasing MREs with my own money, doing a little bit of taste test. And in this specific video, I'm going to show you guys how to properly eat an MRE. This is crucial. This is crucial information. Come on with me. See, now I know a lot of you guys may think that, what's the big deal with selecting your MRE? In reality, there's just so many options. There are so many bad ones, right? You guys will figure this out whenever you join, but selecting your MRE is crucial. Out of a box of 12, there was only like 4 good ones in here, man. Come on. Selecting an MRE is crucial. It's imperative to get to the box first, because if you don't get to the box first, ain't nothing. Let's go ahead and get these MREs out, man. We have 12 in the box, right? Choosing the MRE, man. That's the first step to eating an MRE. You can't successfully eat an MRE the right way without choosing the right MRE. Come on. Now, out of these 4, I'm gonna choose one for tonight. All right, I'm gonna choose the best one. The best MRE in my opinion. I'm gonna tell you guys around a little bit. And it's right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Stop fucking. Oh, you guys probably can't see the camera here. That's chicken chunks. White chicken chunk meat, man. Come on to the dining area with me. Now over here we have my dining area. All right, ladies and gentlemen, listen, I'm in the middle of moving to Japan, so don't judge me, all right? This is my struggle that I got going on over here. So we're right here at the dining area. I got my 2 Tupperware storage bins, or whatever you want to call them. One for my table and the other one for my chair. Let's go eat. All right, this right here, this is one of the most important parts, right? Obviously, you may not have the luxury of eating on this fine table and sitting on this fine chair such as myself. You may be in the dirt somewhere, but that's fine. But you gotta have these 3 things, all right? These 3 things are crucial in eating an MRE. You gotta have some water, baby. Look at this right here. Oh, look at that. That MCX razor water. This motherfucker. Obviously, you have to have something to eat, right? You gotta have your goddamn MRE, one of the best ones. And this is crucial. This is crucial right here. Look at me. Y'all look at me. This motherfucker right here. Take a good look at it. Oh, take a good look at that goddamn Cholula. Everywhere I go, every field up I go on, I have a bottle of this in my pack. Man, you got to have this, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now we at our beautiful desk right here, all right? This is a luxurious desk right here that we in. First thing we gotta do is you gotta open this bad boy and lay everything out, man. I'm gonna show you how to actually eat this thing, man. It's a process to eating this. You know, motherfuckers just open it up, mix everything together and eat it. No, man. You gotta savor your MRE, man. Go ahead and open that bad boy thing up, man. For some MREs, it's imperative to keep this, because this serves as anything. This can serve as, you know, you can fold this motherfucker over like that, make a bowl. You can do anything. But for this MRE, we don't need that. So we're just gonna go ahead and drop that to the side. Look at that. Look at that MRE right there, man. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. Yeah, look at that, man. Oh man, look. That's our white chicken chunks right there. We got some trail mix. We got our good old M&Ms. Some cheese spread. Oh, this motherfucker right here. This motherfucker. Let's go ahead. We got some goddamn tortillas. Nice. We got some grape drink, baby. Gotta have that grape drink. We're running out of room. And last but not least, we have this. Now, if I didn't have my Cholula, if I ran out, this would be the next best thing, man. Right? This right here, you just dump that buffalo sauce in that bitch. So what we're gonna do now I noticed that with these newer MREs, I'm not sure how new is this. It's not including my bag to heat my meal up. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to heat my meal up on this video, but that's fine because eating it cold is the better way anyway. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna show you guys how to eat this. So you gotta move all this bullshit to the side. This is what we wanna eat first, is that good old chicken chunks. So let's go ahead and open that thing up. You gotta spash everything to the bottom like that. Look at that, man. Yeah, gonna open that bitch. So it's always nice. What I like to do is, oh, this is hard to open right here. Well, shit. I'm supposed to open this motherfucker. There we go. Notice I tried to stab it with the MRE spoon, so you can stab anything you want with that MRE spoon, man. So we got some napkins, we got some wet wipes, we got some salt, some blue raspberry type 3, and we got two pieces of freaking gum right here. Apparently this have laxatives in it. I don't know how true that is. All right, so look at that. Look at that. Look at that motherfucking white chunk meat right there, man. That's fresh too. So this is what you need to do whenever you eat your MRE. Okay, you need to sit down your main meal. The main meal is what you need to eat first, all right? Because that gives you all the energy. You out there in the field, you know, you handling business, you gotta have all that energy, man. So this is what I like to do with all my MREs, man. You get this goddamn Cholula, or you can use whatever hot sauce you choose, all right? But this Cholula right here, this thing hit different with MREs, man. Yeah, this is what you do. Yeah, this is what you do right here. Yeah, you dump that bitch in there. Look at all that. Yeah, dump that motherfucker in there. Not too much now, you don't wanna flood it. The only thing you tasting is Cholula, because you still wanna chase some of that white, nice chicken meat. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. All right, next thing we want to do, because that good old grape drink is waiting for me. Next thing we got to do, obviously, we got to prepare our beverage, baby. All right. Oh, look at that grape drink. Oh, look at that. Go on, put that to the side. Oh, yeah, look at that right there, man. Look at all that grape drink right there, man. Damn, I wish I had a straw to go with this motherfucker. Just going to put our water right back here, man. And the MRE spoon is used for everything in your meal. It's used for eating your meal. It's used for stirring your drinks, your coffee, all of that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and taste. Damn, that Cholula, man. Make sure your spoon is nice and clean, man. You don't want no chicken chunks, you know what I'm saying, floating around in the grape drink. Oh, we spilling? That's fine, though, it's fine. Oh, yeah, we spilling. Yes, sir. Go and put that back down to the side. All right, let's go there. Oh, damn, man. I really wish I had an MRE heater. I can't even heat up my goddamn cheese spread. All right, so the next step, right? So after you do that and all that bull crap, you gotta sit aside your snacks. Sit your snacks around to the side so that way you know exactly what you have to eat. All right? A lot of people like to eat all of this shit at once. No, you're supposed to save this, man. Eat your main meal, drink your juice, and save this. Oh, look at it, the trail mix. This is good, man. This is, because you know, you may not always have enough time to sit down and eat your whole MRE. So all of this stuff, you know, you just throw in your pocket, throw in your backpack or whatever, you know, you be good. And we have right here, we have the tortillas plain. Me personally, I don't eat these because these motherfuckers are nasty as hell. All right, I'd rather eat my chicken chunks plain. You know what I'm talking about. Cheese spread, it all depends on how you feeling, all right? If you feeling, you know, you want to be stopped up, you want to be constipated for like 4 or 5 days, eat yourself some cheese spread. But I don't want to do that. Come on. Finish eating this. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, y'all. Time lapse. Yum 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 yum. Oh my gosh, man. That grape drink, man. All right. So now that we ate our final meal, right? Simply because I don't eat this other bullshit. This will never be ate. All right, that's pretty much it as far as eating your MRE the right way. You eat the main meal, you drink your juice, get a little bit of hydration in your system, and then all the stuff that you eat on the go, you save this. All right, you save this because you know, depending on your unit, you may not always have time to eat. It's called eat on the go for a reason. Damn, I done burped. You save all of that, man. For the rest of the stuff, the final step in successfully eating the MRE is clean your goddamn mess up. Clean your mess up, throw your trash in the goddamn trash can. I'm tired of you trifling motherfucking Marines always out here, goddamn, just throwing your shit all over the place, and then guess what? We got That's nasty as hell. I can't do the type 3 beverage. Well, either ways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so that you never miss any videos, man. I provide great quality content to all young Americans, young adults who are willing to join the Marine Corps. I give honest feedback, 100% brutal honest feedback. Everything that you guys should know, all the way down from getting married, all the way down to surviving in boot camp, whatever. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know by subscribing. Thank you.